quadrant, see, I would have said this. If x-axis is reference, that sine or cos is not going to change. It will remain same. But if it is reference is your y-axis, it changes. Right?
Sir,
then how does it change? How does it change? Sin theta changes to cos theta, sin changes to cos,
to cos to
cos
sin,
changes to sin,
secant to cosecant,
tan changes to
cot.
cos. Remaining things anyway in denominator we'll see that. Any doubts to that?
No, sir.
Okay, what is sin of 90 plus theta then?
Cos theta.
This is your
Theta.
reference, 90.
Minus cos
90
minus theta.
plus theta. Here you have. So
Cos
your
theta.
reference axis is y-axis and it is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. So,
Cos theta.
right, cos of 90 minus theta,
Sin theta.
sin theta. Your reference is y-axis, but it is in first quadrant. As it is in first quadrant, it is in first quadrant, right? So cos will be positive and reference is y-axis. So sin theta, right? Any doubts with that?
No, sir.
Sir.
Then what is tan of 180 minus theta? What is tan of 180 minus theta?
Minus tan theta.
Minus tan theta, sir.
Minus?
Tan theta.
Minus tan theta.
Okay. Just give me a second, guys. Let us see. Okay.
Sir, board is not clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your board is not clear.
Yes, sir.
Video.
Blurring, sir.
Sir, video has struck.
Boys and girls, are you able to hear
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Voice is dragging, sir.
now? Is that okay?
No, sir.
One second. Just give me a second. Just give me a second.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay now? Maybe.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Also stucking.
Yes, sir.
One second. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Wi-Fi connecting means it's stucking. My internet, this internet connection also troubling here. Thank you, Satish. Just no, it's better that side only. Now it's okay. Boys and girls,
Yes, sir.
I think now it's okay. Now it's clear, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now it's clear and it will be clear mostly. I have connected to Wi-Fi and it was troubling earlier. I think now it's okay. Right? Can I continue?
No, sir. Board is not
Yes.
clear.
What is tan of 180 minus theta? Board is not clear. Just give it a second. 1 second. Give it some time. Or just give me a second. I think now it should be okay. Is that okay now?
No, sir.
Boys? No. The speed is, internet speed is also more. 134, 200 kbps we are getting. Board is still not clear. Just wait for a second. Maybe I'll. Boys? Boys? Is that okay now? Sri Charan? Are you able to hear me? No.
We can hear, sir.
No, sir.
But board is not clear, sir.
Board is not clear.
Voice is clear, no? He is bringing that wire, right? Just give me a second, From next class, everything will be all right. But just today, in school, I am teaching and it's internet is troubling. Just wait for a second, Maybe little time, okay? Just give me a little time. Now it should be okay, Board still not
No,
clear.
sir. It's not clear, sir.
Okay, just wait
No,
for a
sir.
second. I'll quit and I'll come. Now, okay. Just wait for a second. I'll leave and I'll come back. Okay. No. Don't. Just let us see if this problem will.
Now board is clear.
Sri Charan.
Now is clear.
Now it's clear. No, Sri Charan, what you do is, Sri Charan,
Sir.
you go to participants and you made me host. Thank you, Sri Charan.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Can
sir.
we continue? Is everything okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Everything is clear now. Now it's very good, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Let us continue. Tan of 180 minus theta. What is that? What is your reference line for
Minus
180?
tan theta.
Reference line is x-axis and it is going to be in second quadrant. 180 minus theta. Somewhere in second quadrant you will have your reference line. Am I right? If this is the case, tan is negative in second quadrant, so this is minus cot theta tan theta.
Minus tan theta.
Minus not.
Minus cot theta tan theta, right? Minus tan theta. Why? Because your reference is x-axis. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Any doubts with all this?
No,
Hope you can
sir.
solve this. We'll be having this. Can I erase and go with next thing?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, our reference that is done. Okay, just tell me this table one by one. Okay, that table is very much important for us. What are all that we have in table? 0 degrees,
30 degrees,
45 degrees,
60 degree, 90 degree,
0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees,
60 degrees,
60
and
degrees,
90.
90 degrees. Sine, cos, tan. You just say remaining things are just inverse of this. So I am not going to talk about remaining 3.
0.
Sine
Say,
0 degree
what is
0.
sin theta? Sin 0.
0. 1 by 2.
30.
1 by 2.
Hmm.
1 by root 2.
45.
By root 2.
1 by root 2.
What is sin 30?
Root 3.
Root 3 by 2.
What is sin 90?
1.
1.
1,
Done. What is cos 0?
1.
1.
Cos 30?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. 1 by
1
2.
by 2. 0.
0.
Okay. Okay.
Sir.
Hmm.
yes sir,
Now, what is tan 0?
0.
0.
0.
1 by root 3.
1 by root
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3 sir,
And you cannot define tan 90. Any doubts with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any doubts with this, boys and girls?
Sir,
No, sir.
sir,
No, sir.
Everything is okay? Everything is okay, right?
yes sir,
Everyone do remember these things, right? Can I just erase this? Anyway, already you have all this. From next class, right? Everyone, all boys and girls, today class I am just revising basic things of earlier done classes. Why? Because it has been many days that you guys saw me, almost 2 weeks. No,
Yes, sir.
slightly more than that. In between you had a week,
Yes, sir. It's more than that, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Now, 1 week you had holidays, 1 week I did not take class, and some days, okay, it's more than that. What I am going to deal with is, from Monday I will be dealing with Newton's laws of motion, Ra.
sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
why am I saying that?
Okay, sir.
If at all you are clear with, okay, just listen to me. Just mute yourself, everyone. Some noise is coming. Please mute yourself. Good. Who is that? Mute yourself. Kamesh and Uday Darshan. Just mute yourself, man. When you are speaking, you can unmute. Noise was from you only, Kamesh. When you have muted, there was no noise again. Okay. Now, thing is, Newton's laws of motion will be very much important for us, Ra. Okay. All boys and girls, that Newton's laws of motion, if at all you are clear with Newton's laws of motion, like everything in physics will be like very easy for you, very comfortable. So try to be very clear with Newton's laws of motion. Right? And other thing is, those who want to prepare for exams, that is why you are here in financial classes, right? Those who are preparing for competitive exams, try to be serious. Even if you get some little difficult things and all, try to catch up with things. You guys are doing pretty good. Just continue that. Right? Okay. We'll see anyway. Now, just tell me what is cos 120, Ra? Someone, what is cos 120? And someone say what is cos 240 degrees. Say what is cos 120 degrees and cos 240 degrees. Say what is cos 120 degrees and cos 240 degrees. Say what is cos 120. Anyone? Sri Charan, Uday Darshan, Naresh Krishna. Cos 120. Naresh Krishna.
Sir,
Not here.
minus cos, sir, minus
Charan.
cos 120.
Are you able to hear me, boys?
Root 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You are able to hear me, no?
Yes,
No
sir.
one is answering, so I thought you are not able to hear me. You are able to hear me and see what I have written, no? Then give answer.
Sir,
What is
cos
cos 120?
is root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Confident, right? Root 3 by 2. One thing, 120 is in which quadrant? You say?
Second quadrant.
Sir, root 3
In
by 2.
second quadrant, will cos be positive or negative?
Negative, sir.
In second quadrant, cos will be positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, sir.
So,
Negative.
answer should be positive or
Yes,
negative?
root 3 by 2.
Negative, sir.
Huh?
Minus root 3 by 2,
The
sir.
answer should be negative,
Minus,
sir.
Minus
minus
root
root 3 by 2. Well, very good. Very good. Answer is wrong. It is minus 1 by 2, I think. How can I write 120?
90 plus 30, sir.
Okay, 90 plus. That also will go. I am going in this way. Any
90
doubt?
plus, no, sir.
Okay. That is cause of happy. Any doubts?
No,
What
sir.
is cos of 180 minus 60? Cos 180 minus theta. What is that? Cos 180 minus theta.
Sir, 1 minute.
What is your reference axis here?
Sir, minus cos theta.
Which axis is your reference? 180 minus
Minus
cos
cos theta, sir.
theta.
60. Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Minus cos 60. What is cos 60 value?
1 by
What
2.
is cos 60?
Minus 1 by 2, sir. Minus 1 by 2, sir.
So you said root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, no? You see other way at least. What is that? Cos 90 plus theta. What is that? Y-axis is your reference minus sin 30. What is that? Minus 1 by 2. However you see, it will be same. Either 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta, it should be same. If it is not going to be same, then we are not correct. Whatever way we follow, whatever steps you do, if method is correct, you should be getting proper answer. Any doubts? Any doubts, boys and girls? Everything
No
is
doubt,
clear,
sir.
right?
It's clear, sir.
Clear, no? No issues, right?
Yes, sir. It's clear,
Okay.
sir.
Then, cos of 240.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. Sir, answer is minus 1 by 2
Sir,
again.
your video was paused.
Right. That is reference axis is your x-axis. 180
X dash, sir.
plus some theta. It is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant,
Sir, minus cos theta.
cos is negative. That is minus cos 60, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 again. You did not bother. See, one thing, cos 120 and cos 240 both are same. Cos 120 and cos 240 both are same. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Can I give some questions which will be okay, twisting you guys brain a little? Like I would expect you guys to not give proper. Okay, let us
Sir,
see.
board is blurring, sir.
Word is not clear, sir.
One second. Maybe I have come into picture. Now it should be okay, mostly. Is that okay?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Reply yes or No.
Your voice is not clear.
What? Are you able to hear me?
No.
We can't hear you, sir.
Yes,
Voice
sir.
is breaking.
Good.
Sin 30 go to opposite.
Sir, is it
Now
30 factories,
I
sir?
should not be breaking also.
Sir, voice is breaking,
Is
sir.
good.
We can't hear you, sir.
Actually.
Sir, we can't understand what you're saying.
Okay.
So for first one and second one, answer 1/2.
Now let us see this. That is you just tell me what
Sir,
is
your voice is breaking.
sin
Sir, we can't hear you.
30 degrees.
Boys, are you able to hear me?
Now we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes,
Boys,
sir.
are you able to hear me now?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay. I have removed that headphones, maybe because some problem with headphones. Okay, nice. Can you continue? What is sin 30 degrees? Say answer. What is sin 30?
Sir, 1/2, sir.
1 by
What
2.
is sin 30 degrees? Everyone.
1 by 2, sir.
What is sin 30 degrees?
Sir, 1/2, sir.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Boys, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes,
not
sir.
able to enable your chat or what?
Sir, we can hear you, sir.
Sir, we can hear you.
We can hear you.
You can
hear
unmute
you,
yourself
sir.
and you can speak.
Sir,
Sri
we can
Charan,
hear you,
is
sir.
everything okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I'm not able to hear you. Just give me a second. Speak.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So, okay, sir.
Any problem with that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What is sin 150?
Sir, 1/2, sir.
1/2, sir.
How did you say?
Sir, sin 90 plus 60,
Minus
sir.
30, sir.
Sin 90.
90
Now,
50 plus
I want to
90
do
minus
something.
30.
190 minus 30. You go with 90 or 180, doesn't matter. You will say answer. What is that equal to?
Sir, 1/2, sir. 1/2, sir.
Sin in second quadrant is positive, so this will be sin 30.
Sin 30. That is
This is
positive,
equal
sir.
to
1 by 2.
right? Now, what is
Yes,
sin
sir.
secant?
Sir, minus root 3.
Minus
Minus
1/2.
root.
This is in third quadrant. 180
Sir,
plus
minus
3
root
times.
3 by 2.
Minus root 3 by 2, sir.
It is not root 3 by 2. Same. It is third quadrant. No. Which is your reference axis? X axis is your reference or y axis is your reference?
Sir, y-axis.
Which is your reference? X axis or y axis?
X-axis, sir.
X-axis, sir.
So will sign change to cos or will it remain same?
Remain same, sir.
It remains same. No. But thing is, it is
Minus
negative,
1 by
right? First
2.
is in third quadrant. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What is not equal to? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 360.
What is sin 330 degrees?
Sir, 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta.
360?
Minus.
Okay.
Sir, minus 1 by 2, sir.
Sir, minus 1 by 2, sir. Minus sin theta, sir. Minus sin 30, sir.
So that is x axis is your reference. 360 minus theta. That means it is in fourth quadrant.
Yes, sir.
If it is in fourth quadrant,
Cos only
all
possible.
symbol
Sir, cos only
fourth
possible,
quadrant.
sir. Sin will be 90, sir. Sin 30, sir. Equal to minus 100.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Can I give one question on this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Correct. Whatever next question I am going to give, it is not going to be so much useful in physics, but it will be so much useful in mathematics. You have complete topic on that, whatever I am going to give next, which is called
Okay,
as
sir.
trigonometric equations. Okay, trigonometric solutions maybe. Solutions, trigonometric solutions will be having that. You will be getting 11 class after some days. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see. I think good. Sin theta is equal to 1 by
Sir, 30,
2
sir.
plus
30 degree, sir. 30 degree,
huh?
you can say, sir.
30.
Any angle.
Theta is equal to 30 degrees.
Please answer.
Sir, no, sir.
It
Many
is so
answers
much
we can
clear
say.
for that question before.
Yes,
Theta
sir.
is
No,
30. Is that only correct answer?
no, sir. 30, 150,
Huh?
many you can say, sir.
Then why did I think something before? You need to think on that. No.
Yes, sir. Sir, many, infinitely many answers.
What is that?
Sir, infinitely many answers we can get.
Hmm?
Sir, infinitely many answers we
Huh?
can get. Sir, many answers we can get, sir.
Many, obviously. What are the many things you say?
Sir, 30, 150.
30 family of sin theta. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Something interesting you said. Then 60 is not there in 30 family, right?
Sir, theta is 30, sir.
Okay, see, earlier we saw if theta equal to 30 degrees,
Sir, 1 by 2, sir.
sin theta is 1 by 2. Did we see this in earlier question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And we also saw something else. What is that?
Theta is 150.
We saw these two. Am I right? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First case I am talking about. I have a line this way. If this point is x comma y, how is sin theta defined as and coordinate axis? Say that. How is sin theta defined as? Any doubts? Any doubts?
Sir. No, sir.
Any doubts with this, boys and girls?
No, sir.
Now, see, theta is 30 degrees, that we saw. When theta is not only 30 degrees, what is this? 360. 360 plus theta. Again, line is going to be there, no?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Video structure.
Yes, sir.
So that means when we talk about theta, when theta equal to 30 degrees, sin theta is 1 by 2. When theta equal to 360 plus 30 degrees,
390.
then also sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Any doubts? Sin of 360 plus theta, what is that? Sin of 360 plus theta, what is that?
So sin theta, sir.
Sin theta, sir.
So when theta is 30 degrees, your answer. So when theta is 360 plus 30 also should be your answer, no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, not only that, only one time. Why not other things? Why not one more
The
time?
video
One
structure.
time,
The video structure.
second time.
Sir.
So what is that?
Sir, the board is not clear, sir.
No, that is also.
Sir, even sin
Am I correct?
750.
The sound.
Alright, just wait for a second. Maybe your
Sin 750.
connection should be a problem.
Sin
My
750.
connection is 750 instead of 750, I'm going to something 720.
720 plus 30.
2 into 360 plus 30. Can I go in this way?
Yes, sir.
Can I go in this way?
Yes, sir.
Or else I'm giving this same thing a good way. See, that theta is equal to, next again, one time, first initially directly, after that one circle, again to theta. After that 2 circles, again to theta. After that 3 circles, again to theta. Can I go that way?
Sir, 3 into 360.
So
Yes,
instead
sir.
of that, I'm taking that as general solution. That is n into 360.
N into 360 plus theta is equals to 1 by 2.
This is n can be anything. N belongs to
Any
both
real
numbers. N is 0, that is 30 degrees. N is 1, that is 360 plus 30 degrees. N is 2, that is 2 into 360 plus 30 degrees. N is 3, that is 3 into 360 plus 30 degrees. That means 3 times I am moving in a circle.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that?
Sir, only belongs
So
to
how
one.
many solutions
Yes,
like
sir.
this we will be having?
Sir, infinite number of
Yes,
solutions.
sir.
We have many solutions.
Infinite, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Hey. Let others hear what I am trying to say. Okay? We have many solutions like that. Is that okay, boys and girls?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Any doubts in that?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
Now, that means not only that, we have to go with 150 also. Can I erase this?
Sir.
Can I
Yes,
erase
sir.
this below part? Make it pass with those who want to copy, make it pass. I will erase that and I will continue. I am erasing. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
30 degrees I spoke about, right?
Sir, board
Let us
is
talk
not
about 150 degrees.
Sir.
Sir, board is not clear, sir.
That is,
The video is stuck.
And the voice also breaking, sir.
is this okay?
Sir, no, sir, your voice breaking and video.
So,
Video is not clear, sir.
one solution. And second solution is when theta is equal to 150 degrees. That is okay. Not only 150, no. 360 plus 150. This is also possible, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir. So
So how can I write this? This is one solution. Second solution is,
n into 360 plus 150.
third solution will be
3 into 360 plus 150.
2 into 360 plus 150. Depending on this, you will get solutions. What will be your common solution is,
N into 360 plus 150.
you have many solutions. There are two solutions. That is, one is n into 360 plus 30. Other one is n into 360 plus 150. You have many solutions.
Sir, you written
In mathematics, they'll teach in slightly other way than this. Okay,
Sir.
they'll teach something better than this. But you have this basic idea. Just you have this basic idea so that you can apply this in mathematics. Is that okay?
Sir.
Any doubts with that?
Sir, can we do even for 210 and 330, sir, if it is minus 1 by 2?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay, sir.
Obviously. Just to
Okay,
make you guys understand that only, before I gave a question which is not related to this. If I would have given directly like this, no, you wouldn't have solved by yourself. But I taught earlier question, no. I have taught earlier question, because of that you are trying to, like, it will be easier for you to understand. Hope this is okay for you.
Yes, sir.
Once you take that, then I'll erase it.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Then
This class also is professor.
I give basic questions, Rahul. Some small, simple questions. Let us see how you are going to solve it. Okay. That is,
Okay, sir.
multiplication. What is this equal to? Right? Sine 1 into sine 2 into sine 3 into sine 4 into sine 5, like that.
0.
Sine of 299. So
Sir, 0.
what can I say this value is equal to?
Sir,
How?
0. Sir,
How?
we will get sine 1. We will
How?
get
How?
in middle sine 90, no, sir. Sine 90 is 0, sir.
Sir, then everything will become zero, sir.
Sine 90 is not 0, sir. Sine 90 is
Yes,
1, sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Sine 90 is 1, sir.
Only zero, sir. So sine 180 also. Zero, sir.
0, sir.
Zero.
Sine 180 is 0. So somewhere in between you got sine 180. So anything into 0 will be 0. So this answer will be equal to 0. You can understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I go with one more question?
Yes, sir.
Can I raise this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Combination.
You said 0. No, I'll give a question where you don't have 0. You don't have this 0 in between. What is this equal to? What is this equal to? Obviously, if not 0, you say 1. No. What is the answer for this? What is answer for this? Tell what is answer to this? One is answer. No. Isn't it?
Sir, one, sir. Yes, sir.
Answer.
How?
Yes, sir.
How? Not just saying one is
Sir,
answer.
tan
How
45,
saying
sir.
one answer? Huh? Tan? Oh.
Sir.
Say how, guys. Yes. Tan 89 can I write this way?
Yes, sir. So tan 90 minus.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Say na.
Yes, sir. Cos 1, sir.
Is this
Cos.
okay?
Yes,
Huh? Tan 89 I am writing as 90 minus 1. Tan 90 minus 1. That is y-axis is your reference.
sir.
90
Cos
minus
1
1
degree,
is
sir. Cos 1 degree coming, sir. If we done
cos
backwards.
of
Yes, sir. Cos 1 degree,
is
sir.
not 1 degree.
Cos 1 degree. Sir, if
Right?
we done reverse up to
Means how
40.
much?
No, sir. Up to 44, we will
Ah,
get.
okay. Again, this is tan 89. What about tan 88?
Sir, cot 2 degree, sir. Sir, cot 2 degree, sir. Up to tan 46, if we done, we will get cot 44 degree, sir. Then cot tan 45 equal to 1, then everything will be cancelled.
Up to 46, like this will go. What is tan 46 degrees?
Sir, 44, sir.
Tan 90 minus 44. What is this?
Sir, cot 44 degree.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Tan 1 degree, see how you have is tan 1, tan 2, like this till tan 45 you have.
Yes, sir. Sir, here cot
After
44.
that, after tan 46, no, what is tan 46?
Sir, tan
Cos
44.
44.
Cot 44.
44.
44.
Like this,
Up to
here
cot
you have
1.
tan
Cot
44. Before,
Cot 1, sir. Tan 46.
here cot 2,
Cot 1.
right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Cot
everything
theta
will be
equal
cancelled, sir.
Theta is equal to
1 by
cot theta.
cos
Am I
theta.
correct?
Yes, sir. Then everything will be
Cot theta
cancelled.
is not like this is how I
Everything will be
have no.
cancelled, sir.
Cot theta is equal
Then we will be left over with tan 45, that is
45, sir. 1, sir.
to 1 by. So from there, tan cot theta is equal to 1.
Sir, we can cancel everything, sir, except tan 45.
Tan 1, cot 1. tan 2
cot 2.
cot 2. Like this,
Cot
everything
44.
gets cancelled out. Tan
Tan 45 is
44, cot
remains.
44, everything is 1. But what is tan 45?
Sir, 1.
1.
1, sir.
Tan 45 only will be remaining. No? What is tan 45?
Sir, 1, sir.
1. So everything will be equal to 1. Did you understand that? Only thing, this whole value will be just tan 45. Why? Because all others just get cancelled out and you will be getting multiplication of those two will be giving 1. Tan 45 will be remaining, which is equal to 1. Did you understand that?
Sir, if they gave up to tan 90 means we can directly cancel and take the answer. Okay?
But I am not able to hear you. Can you be a little clear? I don't have earphones actually.
Sir, if they gave up
Say,
to
say,
tan 90 degree, we can cancel and complete the sum, sir.
tan 90 degrees I cannot give. Why? Because 90 degrees is not defined. It is infinite.
Yes, sir.
90 is infinite, but not 89.
Yes, sir. Sir, if tan 90
It
they
will be
gave.
very large,
Yes, sir.
but it's defined. Tan 90 is not defined. It is very large. You can't define it tan 90.
Yes, sir.
Is that okay? 90 we cannot give.
yes, sir.
Is that okay, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that okay, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this?
Sir, quadratic equation, sir.
Okay. For this quadratic, you have two roots.
Alpha and beta.
Two roots of this quadratic. One root is sin theta, and other root is you have two roots. If these two are roots for this quadratic, what is condition between A, B, and C? Get a condition, get a relation
Sir, A,
between A,
B,
B,
C,
and C.
constant, sir.
Sin theta and cos theta are roots of that quadratic.
Sir, the constant, sir.
ABC are constants, but I want you to get some relation between them. And if these two are there, what should be your condition? If these two are there, what will be your condition? Sin theta and cos theta are there. That means
Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1.
what you need to be. Just try to use that. That is my question actually. Just use that and get relation between A, B, and C.
Sir, ax square plus
Just
bx
use
is
that and get
minus b.
something you try to find, right? Put on paper, no. Instead of saying something, put on paper and finally you give the answer. How to find sin square theta plus cos square theta? How to find that sin square theta plus cos square theta? Have to find sin square theta plus cos square theta. How to find that? Okay, tell me this. What is sum of roots? What is sum of roots? Okay. Any doubts with this, boys?
Sir.
No doubt,
What is
sir.
product of roots?
Sir, see the use, sir.
That means alpha square plus beta square, no? To be precise. Okay. Instead of sin theta cos theta, more number of strokes I am preparing. I'll write alpha and beta. Okay. What is alpha plus beta?
Sir, minus. Sir,
What is
alpha
alpha
and
into
beta.
beta?
Sir, C by A, sir.
How to find alpha square plus beta square?
Sir, alpha plus beta is alpha minus beta, sir.
Any doubts? Any doubts?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No doubt, sir. No doubt,
If
sir.
this is equal to 1 no, according to our condition.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If this is your condition, that's it. What is alpha plus beta whole square?
Minus 3 by A the whole square. Minus 2 into 3 by 2.
Just solve that, you will get your answer. If you take LCM, b square a minus 2c a square is equal to 1. Any doubts?
No doubt,
Any
sir.
doubts after taking LCM? Hope you don't have any issues with that.
No
A
doubt,
also you take
sir.
on. A also you take out. A if you cross multiply, you will get finally again something like this. B square a minus 2c. Okay. Any doubts, boys and girls?
No, sir.
Hope that is okay for you guys.
Yes, sir.
B square is wait,
Yes,
something.
sir.
This is correct.
Sir, how zero came, sir?
Take LCM. Take a square common.
Yes.
If you just cross multiply, no, what you get is finally again I'm taking a square common. See what I multiply with a square. Wait, sorry. Mistake.
Yes,
Sorry.
sir.
Take
Sir,
LCM. What you get?
B square.
We just multiply a square. That is a in this numerator and denominator. B square by a square minus 2ca by a square is equal to 1. If you just cross multiply a square to the other side, that means b square minus 2ca is equal to a square. This is what you get. Any doubts, boys and girls? Now I think calculations are okay. Are they writing little calculations? Hope this is okay. Any doubts? This, boys and girls? If anyone has doubts, I'll try to explain. If not, we'll go for next thing. Is this okay?
Sir.
Boys, is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No doubts.
No doubts, right? This I saw it from yesterday clip where assignment was given to students, right? That I saw. Okay. Don't waste time, right? Okay, everyone tries studying. Right? Can we continue? I am erasing this. Okay. Was done, right? Now let us see remaining things like relating the probabilities or trigonometry. Okay. Now If sin theta is 3 by 5, find cos theta. If sin theta is 3 by 5, find cos theta. If sin theta is 3 by 5, then find cos theta. If sin theta is 3 by 5, then find cos theta. How? What is cos theta? How to find the cos theta?
4 by 5. 4 by 5.
4 by 5.
Sir, sin square theta plus
How
cos
to
square
solve
theta
that?
equal to 1,
Is
sir.
when you have sin theta, you need to construct it.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We can do it.
Right angle triangle. This is theta. This is 5. Why? Because sin theta is opposite. Then your hypotenuse is 5. You just need to find your answer. Okay. According to Pythagoras theorem, you get sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From there also you will get. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, anything is okay. So from here, 5 square okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
Oh,
No,
sir.
sir.
This is basic way. This is basic way you will get cos theta. But slightly, do you want me to confuse you guys? From there you got cos theta as 4 by 5, no? Do you want me to confuse you guys? I am very confused, you see. Sin square theta, that is 3 by 5.
One minus 9 by 26. By 4 by 6.
Any doubts?
No, sir, if it is root 4 by 6.
What is that equal to?
4 by 5.
4 by 5, sir.
Not only 4 by 5, no. Cos square theta, see this is 3. Cos square theta is 16 by 25. From here, what is cos theta? It's not 4 by 5. It's 4 by 5, no.
Yes, sir.
It can be positive as well as negative. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
See, when is this possible? I will tell you.
Sir, 5 is positive only, no,
In
sir.
first quadrant, no. In first quadrant, sin theta is positive, cos theta is positive. In that first quadrant, you will get sin theta 3 by 5. From there, you will get cos theta is plus 4 by 5 in first quadrant. But sin theta is positive, no? In which other quadrant sin theta positive is possible?
Sir,
In second quadrant also sin theta is positive, no?
yes, sir.
But cos theta, what is cos theta in second quadrant? Is that positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, sir.
Here cos theta will be minus 4 by 5. You will see the possible solutions afterwards. But for you guys, no, it will be simple. You will be going with plus 4 by 5. But thing is, minus 4 by 5 is also possible. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
In second quadrant, it can be negative. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I raise? Okay, I am going to give few more things which we will be using a lot in physics, right? Not a little, a lot we will be using in physics. Okay, just have that extra than mathematics. These things you will be using in physics. That is sin 37 degrees is approximately approximately. Most of the time we will be taking this. Take this to be granted. We will be using that in physics later. Take that to be granted for you guys for time being. Everyone take a note of that properly. Did you?
Yes, sir, complete.
Did you note that?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts with this? Any issues with this? No issues, no?
No, sir.
I have a line. What is that I have not put? Length of OP is equal to. What is that length of OP? I gave. What is that length of OP that I gave here?
5 meter.
5 meter. If it is 5 meter, what is angle made by line OP with positive x-axis?
120.
What is line made by OP with positive x-axis that I gave?
127.
127 degrees. Then find the coordinates of point P. Find coordinates of point P. Find coordinates of point P. Find coordinates of point P. How to find the coordinates of point P? How to find that one? Any idea? Anyone? Idea is try to construct right angle and triangle in a useful way. You will get your answer. Try to construct right angle and triangle in a useful way. You will get it. See, here we have no that. Hope you are able to see this. Just drawing here. What is this angle? What is this angle, Ravi? Say. Are you able to hear me? Total is 127. From here to here, what is that? 90. So what is that remaining angle?
37 degree.
30. Any doubts? If this is 37 degrees, this we already know as pi. Let us, so from here to here, what is that y coordinate? No, let us take this as y.
இங்க இருக்கலாமா அந்த ரெக்கார்டு அந்த சைடு தான்
What
எனக்கு
is
அனுப்பிச்சு
cos theta?
இன்னைக்கு அனுப்பிச்சு விடுவாங்க. ஐயோ கழுத்து மட்டும் வலிக்குதுமா. தலை வலிக்குது, வயிறு வலிக்குது, மூக்கு வலிக்குது, வாய் வலிக்குது, வலிக்குதுமா எனக்கு. அதனால நம்ம கிளாஸ்
Adjacent by
போர்டு கிளியரா தெரியல.
hypotenuse. Doubts? I am not able to hear is board is there, but I am just asking, is this step okay?
அப்படின்னு தான் நினைக்கிறேன். போர்டு பக்கத்துல
Okay. Now, but what is cos 37? We already got cos 37 from earlier case. Now, what is cos 37? Any doubts? Any doubts? Right? Now, let us take this as some k. Why I am taking as k, I tell you. What is sin 37? That is k by 5. What is sin 37? What is sin 37?
3 by 5.
3 by 5 equal to k by 5. This implies k is equal to 3. Okay? Okay. What are coordinates of point P then? Boys, say what are coordinates of point P then?
3,4. 3,4.
Boys, say that what are coordinates of point P?
Sir, 5,3.
5 comma? Arey, y coordinate. You have to give x coordinate then y coordinate. No. Point means x comma y you have to give. No.
3,4.
Some of you guys might be point P are not some. Most of you guys were thinking coordinates of point P are 3 and minus 5, which is wrong. Why? Because here x coordinate has to be negative. It is in second quadrant. X coordinate has to be negative. Magnitude wise, it is length we found as 3, but it is in second quadrant. So you will get coordinates of point P as minus 3 comma 5. Is that okay? Is that okay, boys? Is that okay, everyone? Is that okay, everyone? Okay, hope everything is okay for you till here. Can I erase that? Oi, boys
Yes, sir.
and girls, can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, length of OP is given as 20 meters. Find coordinates of point P. Find coordinates of point P.
Sir, OP is 20 meters, sir.
Find coordinates of point P.
OP value not.
Huh?
Sir, OP 20, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. OP value is not visible. Right, just give me a second. I'll get a little. Is this visible now?
Yes, sir.
OP is equal to 20 meters, then find coordinates of point P. Find coordinates of point P then. Anyone? How to find that? Total is 180. So how much it is going to make with x axis? OP line.
Sir, 53 degrees, sir. 53 degrees.
OP line, how much it is going to make with x axis? From here you are trying to find remaining things. I'll say something useful and better, slightly, which we'll be using in Newton's law. See, OP I already know. I am taking this as some A and this as some B. From here I can say A by OP is cos theta. From here A is equal to OP cos theta. In that similar way I have B by OP is equal to sin theta. From there B is equal to OP sin theta. Any doubts? Any doubts? Adjacent is cos theta, that is A is OP cos theta, opposite is sin theta. So B is OP sin theta. Any doubts?
No, sir.
From here, what can I say about A? 20 cos 53. What is cos 53?
3/5, sir.
Okay. From here, what can I say? Sin 53. Any doubts? Any doubts? So from that, it means x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is also negative. So coordinates of your point are x coordinate is a, that is from here to here, and it is negative. Y coordinate is also negative. Y coordinate is also negative. From there, what can I say about y coordinate? Y coordinate is also negative. So what can I say about y coordinate? These are your x coordinate and y coordinate. Is that okay, boys and girls? Is that okay, boys and girls? Any doubts? Any doubts still here? Any doubts still here, boys and girls?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No doubts, no? Okay. Can I give something else? Okay.
The video is not clear, sir.
Huh? I think it should be clear only, right? 1 Mbps. Speed is okay. Speed is very good actually. Is it okay for others also? Okay. Now, I have an isosceles triangle. I have an isosceles triangle. Not like this, just give me a second. I have isosceles triangle. Okay. One angle is given as 120 degrees. That angle is given. I have isosceles triangle.
Sir, board is not clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still not clear, huh?
Yes, sir.
Still not clear, huh? 1 minute.
Sir.
Very good. 1 minute. Is this okay now?
No, sir.
Is that okay? Okay, then I will disconnect and I will come back. Naresh Krishna, just make me host, Ra. Naresh Krishna,
Yes, sir.
just make me host. I'll continue with class. In participant, tap on my name in participants. Nice,
Yes, sir.
thanks. Okay, everyone, look at this. AB is equal to BC, which is equal to A. Then find AC just by using the trigonometry. Just by using that trigonometry. Just by using the basic trigonometry. How to find is, if this is 120 degrees, opposite angles to opposite equal sides will be same. So what is that theta equal to from there? Any doubts? That is 120 plus 2 theta. From this equation, you get theta equal to 30 degrees. Any doubts? Any doubts? Are you able to hear me and are you able to see me? See that board?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Is it clear, boys and girls?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in this isosceles triangle, what you do is just try to draw median, which is also altitude. If I take this isosceles triangle, I am also going to draw median, which is altitude. From here, this is 90. This is, you just take this small triangle. You just take this small triangle. This small triangle, if you take, this side is A. This is theta. So what is this?
Sir,
Adjacent side.
A by 2, sir. By 2, sir. Median.
Cos theta. In a similar way, here it is 90 degrees. This is theta. So what will be this length? This is A. You just take this small triangle. How does it look like? It looks like this. "90 degrees here, this is theta and this is A. Whatever is the adjacent side, that is A cos theta. Whatever is the opposite side, that is A sin theta. Am I correct? Earlier I have derived this in earlier question. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So from here, this is A cos theta. So what is length of line AC? What is length of line AC? Just see that. Any doubts with this? Any doubts with this, boys? In that similar way, see, what I am trying to do is I am trying to take this triangle.
Now also more
In
than
isosceles triangle, what is median do? In isosceles triangle, median is the perpendicular. If it is perpendicular, it is going to divide this base into two equal halves. Instead of taking both, I am just taking this small triangle, ABD triangle. Can I? That this angle is theta. ABD triangle. AB side is A. So what can I say about AB? A cos theta. Any doubts? Adjacent is A cos theta, opposite is A sin theta. Any doubts? What can I say about AC? That is 2 times of A, which is equal to 2 times of A cos theta. Any doubts? That is equal to 2 times of A. What is cos theta? What is theta? 30. From there, what is cos 30 degrees? Root 3 by 2. So that is 2A root 3 by 2. And you cancel the 2 in denominator and numerator. Any doubts with that? Any doubts with that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That is it for today's class, and we'll continue in next class. Right? Okay, guys. Then see you.